This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford Flex. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include heated front seats, heater vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, 18-inch wheels, front fog lights, a low tire pressure indicator, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. The Ford's pre-owned certification includes a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty and a 3-month, 300,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Don Gasgarth Charlotte County Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3156 Tamiami Trail in Port Charlotte.